Please, help me. Help me. Help me.
C1, port is ready. Just needs to be on site. I'm on my way there to set things up. I'll let you know when I'm done. C1, I don't see anything. Are you sure this is the spot? Alright, placing the port now.
We're running out of time. We have to get the Cardinals before the rift opens.
Yeah, I know. I'm on it.
Incoming call. I put it on screen. There is a call for you. Do you wish to ignore? This call might be important.
We've been waiting for you. I can sense your fear.
I think I found it. But we need to get this battery running.
Behind you.
9, 8, 7,
Need more time.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Alright, little guy. Welcome online. Let's see what you can do. The armory. That's where you're gonna need to go. They'll be in the lab holding bay on the west wing. The safety locks won't let me in, so once you're there, I'll use the backup to open the doors. Make the link to C1 and get back here. C1 will take it from there.
Scanning.
Weapons fire detected.
Confirmed.
You did it.
We're synced again.
Welcome back, online boys.
My beacon
Beacon is broken.
so I'm
Updating the global
port coordinates.
Mark 1. It's the Leviathan.
All systems engaged and ready to go.
Target acquired.
Incoming call. I put it on screen. There is a call for you. Do you wish to ignore? This call might be important. I've pushed the call to voicemail.
C1, I've got some bad news for you. I don't think the Leviathan is gone. Something else is happening.